everyone, welcome to our Teenage Mutant Ninja Turtle ornament program. I am Miss Lauren, and today I'm going to be showing you guys how to turn these little ornaments into a Ninja Turtle with some yarn, an oil-based Sharpie, and some paint. So the first thing we're going to do is we are going to uncap our ornaments. Now what I'm going to have for you guys is the ornaments and maybe some eyes. I don't know if there's going to be enough yarn for everybody. So we have to find the end of the yarn and perhaps untie it a little bit. So here's an end. Just got to get all this yarn untangled because we are going to put it inside of our ornament. Okay, cool. Just what I needed. So instead of painting the inside, we are just going to put yarn. So we're going to very carefully fill it up like so until there's not a lot of clear in the background. And if you guys would rather paint them, totally cool. You can do whatever you'd like with these ornaments once they're yours for the taking. So we're gonna keep going like that. A little more like that. Okay, so I have our ornament all wrapped up with yarn on the inside. And we are gonna take our top and we are gonna put it back in. Just like so. I don't know if you guys can hear it, but there's somebody playing today in the library, so they're being a little loud against the activity room. Okay, so we've got this back on. The next part is I am going to use my paint-based Sharpie. We're gonna make sure that it's good. And we are gonna draw on his bandana as well as his mouth. Because I don't know how many programs you've seen with Miss Lauren, but I am not very good staying within the lines when I'm painting because I have such shaky hands. So we're gonna go like that. We're gonna go like this. So the front looks great, the back not so much, but we're not gonna worry about it. So we've got that. And then we are gonna make his mouth too. And we're gonna draw their mouths on too. And a little bit of their nose. So their nose kind of goes like that. And their mouth goes like that, and it's kind of open at the bottom. So we have it like that. Doesn't really look like much yet. But what we're gonna do next is we are going to take a really thin paintbrush and we are going to paint in the lines. And I don't know if you guys can tell which Ninja Turtle is my favorite, but it's Leonardo. Because when I was a kid, I thought it was cool and he was the best because my name also started with an L. You know, Lauren and Leonardo. Okay, we're gonna paint the back too. Just for the fun of it. The back doesn't really need to be perfect at all. Okay, so we have him painted, and I mean, what's missing is the eyes. So once the paint all dries, we are gonna stick some googly eyes onto our pal Leonardo. I'm gonna use a handy dandy glue bottle in order to glue our eyes on. We're gonna go like that, and pick up our friend Leonardo, who's not totally dried yet, but it shouldn't matter. So you're gonna leave him like that. And one more eye. And there he is! There's your Ninja Turtle! So you can make it purple, you can make it orange, you can make it red, you can make it blue, any color you want. But here is how it's going to look at the end. I hope you guys had fun with this. I hope you come in and pick up the supplies to make your own, and we'll see you next time.